So in order to evaluate a trigonometric limit, which is given by the fact that there's a sine 3x in this function, the first thing that we want to consider is the standard trigonometric limit. It's basically a form that tells us what to do. And before we get into this, I also want to point out that we're solving for the limit as x approaches 0. So if we were to plug 0 into x into the denominator, we would be dividing by 0, which means that we have to, no matter what, simplify this limit or use some sort of form. So the standard trigonometric limit is as the limit of x approaches 0, sine of x over x is equals to 1. So in this case, what we can do is, since we can't just set sine 3x over x equals to 1 immediately, we kind of have to rewrite the expression to show our work. We want to factor out the 3 from sine 3x. And when you factor out the 3 from sine 3x, you multiply, right? So 3 times sine 3x over 3x. So it goes in both places. And because we know that as x approaches 0, 3x approaches 0, we can then use the standard limit and basically just, this becomes sine 3x over x is equals to 1 times 3. This is the big part, times 3. You're doing 1 times 3. And obviously, when you do 1 times 3, you get 3, and that's your answer. And so if you're wondering, like, oh wait, this kind of seems too easy, like the answer was literally given in the numerator. It is, because if you rewrote the same equation, but instead of sine 3x, you had like sine 4x over x, the answer would be 4. So that's how you do it.